In this video, we will be covering the Add Dialog options. The Add button is how you will add BAM, VCF, and bed files as well as annotation tracks to your project. On the left, you will notice that you can select from local sources. This is where downloaded samples like the reference sequence and annotation tracks we just downloaded can be found. You can also stream public annotations or example samples from the cloud. Additionally, you can add a new location by clicking the plus sign and using the Browse button to navigate to where you keep your data. You will also notice that there are a few filtering options available for you. First, there's a search by name box. The pre-populated asterisk will act as a wildcard, and you can leave it or you can type right over it. If I type in NCBI, all other tracks will be removed, leaving only those that contain NCBI. To the right, you will find a drop-down that allows you to filter based on source type, such as cytoband tracks, interval tracks, and so on. Lastly, you'll find a build selection drop-down where you can filter based on the different builds you have downloaded. Notice the latest checkbox to the right. By checking this box, you are choosing to only show the most updated samples. Conversely, unchecking the box will allow you to access older samples. You can also add files by using the Browse button, which will allow you to either type in a path or to navigate to a folder. You can also search by URL by entering a specific URL address. So then, let's add some tracks to our project. We'll start by going back to the Local tab and adding our reference sequence. To do that, simply check the box by clicking on it and then click Plot. Now let's choose some annotation tracks to stream over the cloud. I'm going to pick Cosmic Genes version 67, dbSNP 138, and the NHLBI 6500. One feature that I would like to point out here is the Plot Data panel. The Plot Data panel allows you to select and view specific plot types. To add our samples, we will click Plot and Close. You could alternatively download these locally here. And if you have just one sample to add, you can simply check it and click Plot and Close. We will discuss the Convert button in a separate video.